doing, Cardi Summit?
Sunray. Looks a wiggle body.
Fi ti fewn fory.
A fi fan ag nori.
Fi ti fewn fory.
Good job, good job, well Corey, mate. Keep going, no, rather than Corey, out back
Just in case, and then he tells
Bit
us.
smell. Could be somewhere when it can't run out.
Yr hau fyna, fel yn dod.
Oh, no.
Cymlo yn dod.
Ah, o, mae'n
Right,
mynd
sir.
i
Corey Harris, Jacob stop. Yes. Wait, finish. Stop. Pass.
Don't be stop,
Mae'n mynd i canol run out.
Postyn efo fyny.
I need you to recall it.
Corey,
Na, fi'n postyn.
turn over. Jacob, turn back. Jacob, back. Finish. Peanut. Harvey, run. Run. Harvey, run in the peanut. Pass, Harvey. Pass. Oh, that peanut, right.
Get back, Joe! Yes, Harvey. That's over.
Corey, stop. Jacob, Harris.
Sorry.
Corey, onside.
Tacto fe, boys. Here.
And look, guys, put that up. Boys, the new kick going in. Run.
Oi. Mae sydd ti gael ein i weld, maen nhw'n cefnu fi. Gyda ti? Pan? Ie. Dyna mynd i'r tent. We're changing rooms. We're changing rooms. Leon, we're still changing rooms now. Na beth fe? Ti'n Caerdydd Cymru yma?
Go, Jordan! Go, Jordan!
Hey, Stocky! There, Jordan! That's a drop. Please don't make it. I can do better. What did he score a kick now?
Nawr mae'n mynd i cysgo.
Yes, Jordan. What did he score a kick now?
Dwi'n siŵr. Yeah, no, anyway.
Oh, did you score your try here? Oh, yeah, no, go.
Bradley is the Hebrew law.
How many minutes?
I think he's back for 20 minutes now. Patty Barrett. Run! Jordan, stop that. Keep that, right?
Yes, score.
Good, Corey. Turn over, land, Corey.
Yes! Oh, lucky for Run on, Harvey!
Jordan,
Right on it! Run! Now, Harvey!
Right, do it closer.
Jordan, kick.
Kick you!
Go, Joe.
Joe!
Go, Joe!
Go, Joe!
Go! Come on!
Right, Corey, get up. Corey up. Yes, get down, up. Yes, get down, no. Jordan, Cullen. Jordan, Cullen.
Oh, yeah, when you roll your shot. You go, turn it up.
Should we go Finley and 10 or either way?
Yeah, team 10. Jordan. Big chase. Justin. Alpha Smith. Go on, Ben.
No.
Run. Yes, kick it, yes. Go on, Jacob.
There, Jacob! Go on, Jacob!
Ben, yes,
Ysgol Eillwyn neu Ysgol Cyfarthfa, gai ofyn trwy cynnal, ydych chi wedi mynd ar match ball ydych chi o'r gêm dwytha, bod chi'n gallu dod fan ôl yn cael gwneud. Eillwyn School and Cyfarthfa School, if you took the match ball on pitch next to you after the game, can you bring it back to the pitch, please?
Harvey. Actually, now, Joe Croker. Joe. Joseph. Sit off. Where's Karen Joe, right?
No, my daughter made
And then I'm surveyed.
Zach, tu me l'as pas. Lina!
Oh, mae'n fan'na, sef. What's my number? Oh, yeah, mae'n fan'na.
Pass! Pass!
Go on.
Zach! Harvey! Harvey! Actually, Harvey! Take the other forward to Jacob. Take it forward, back to the wing. Jacob, get the off. Harvey, turn it forward, right? Fire.
That's the mic for the right shoot.
Right? That's it, kick. That can be. That's right. Come on. Oshan, do you want to pick up this? Yes, it's yours. Zach off, Zach off, Zach off.
Look, Ryan. Come on.
So, mein 4-2 now.
Did you see how
What is
far
that?
it is?
25
What is it? No, it's not compared. Compared is kicked different.
Ready, go down now. I'm safe, I'm safe. No, Dick, no. Bottom man, Leon, hush.
Oh, yes.
No, Dick. No. Oshan, no. Finley, no. Lad.
He says try it. Why did he pick out
Oshan, get off. Back in the forwards, right you are. I'm set.
Someone keep looking after the bed. Oh, I can look after the TV. Sit hard.
So, who scores? So, my dad, so come on.
Y gemau fydd yn cael eu chwarae nesau. The next games are as follows. You can make your way over to the pitches ready to play. Please rhowch eich ffordd i'r ceia yn barod i chwarae. Ar cael rhyd 1, pitch number 1. Jan Harry yn erbyn Pen y Dref. Cael 2, pitch number 2. Bryn Teg yn erbyn Sant Richard Gwyn. Cael 3, pitch number 3. Cwm Bran yn erbyn Ystal y Fera. Cael 4, pitch number 4. Bryn Sirion yn erbyn Crug Hywel. Cael 5, pitch number 5. Iswyn yn erbyn Bro Dyr. Cael 6, pitch number 6. Cyfartha yn erbyn Caerleon. Cael 7, pitch number 7. Hwlffordd yn erbyn Cardiff West. Cael 8, pitch number 8. Llangynwydd yn erbyn Bro Dinefwr. Cael 9, pitch number 9. Dwyrain yn erbyn y Pant. Cael 10, pitch number 10. Llandeilo Ferwest yn erbyn Fithdalen. Cael 11, pitch 11. Ysgol Ystradau yn erbyn Rhyd y Wair. Cael 12, pitch 12. Maes Deg yn erbyn Cwm Cymru Gesi Haf.